Hi Gemini, welcome to another love reading of yours. This is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus for the second half of June 2020. Please keep in mind, time is fluid. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with in the future. This is for Gemini in love. I'm going to read out the energies of the cards here, guys. So please keep in mind that the cards, the energies can be flipped. So feel free to switch the energies. You can assign the roles accordingly. This is for Gemini. Gemini's in love for the second half of June 2020, please. Alright, Spirit Guides, Angels, Universe, what you will have for my Geminis in love for the second half of June 2020. Okay. Alright, bottom of the deck, we have the Five of Wands. Okay. Okay, the overall energy we have is the Five of Wands. So either there is a lot of conflict between you guys, or you guys are not on the same page, or with the Five of Wands here, I feel someone's heavily conflicted in their head. Okay, someone's not being able to make up their mind, and probably a lot of drama between you guys too. Okay. In the past with the Hermit here, I feel that someone ghosted you. You could have ghosted someone. Someone went into their cocoon, into their nutshell, and did a lot of self-introspection. Okay, someone tried to find out of what's going on with the situation. A lot of questioning: what, when, where, how, why, like what's going on with the connection. Okay, a lot of lack of action in the past. Okay, a lot of no communication, no contact. Coming into the current situation, we have the Knight of Swords in reverse here. There's someone here who wants to talk a lot. Okay, there's someone here who wants to say a lot. They have a lot to say. Someone's in a very argumentative mode. Okay, this is someone who wants to rush in. Okay, rush in like now, but for some reason they're holding back. Okay, they're holding back for a reason, and well, maybe that could be the mode of breaking the no communication, but there's just someone who's not ready to open up. Okay, someone's just not ready to move forward. Okay, that's why there's a lack of forward movement, and there's a missed opportunity. Okay, this is someone who's holding back, not seizing the opportunity to break the silence. Okay, and with the Queen of Swords in reverse here, I feel this person is very, very angry. Okay, there's someone who's very, very bitter. The Queen of Swords in reverse is an ex. You could be dealing with an ex, but there is someone here who's very angry, very bitter. Okay, this is someone who could tell you with their words of how angry they are, but yeah, this is someone, they'll like probably throw a plate at your head, they'll split your tires, they'll starve your pet, stuff like that. Okay, very bitter energy. Okay, when the Queen of Swords is in reverse, it's someone, you know, like you've had it. Okay, like they've had it, like this is it. All right, I cannot take this anymore. So I'm finding two ways. Okay, either this is the same person, or this is one person, because look, I find an energy, there's a difference here in age. I'm assuming we have a knight here and we have a queen here. Okay, so what I see here is, if this is you and the person you're dealing with, I feel this is two different people. I feel there's a feminine energy who's really, really pissed off right now. She's very angry, very bitter, very vengeful. Okay, it's like she's fed up, and more like she's had it. Okay, it's like enough is enough. Okay, probably this is someone pissed off because there's a lack of communication and the person's not coming in to confront. Okay, they're not coming in, breaking in the silence, and the person who you're dealing with could be an age difference, could be the masculine is the younger one here, but there's an age difference here because we're dealing with a knight and a queen. Okay, so there is a big age difference here. The problem here is that you both have a very nasty attitude towards each other. Okay, one is holding back communication, holding back confrontation, although if they did the confrontation, it's like, you know what, like things could at least start moving forward, but that's not happening. And probably that's not happening because there's someone here who's afraid. Okay, they feel probably if they come in with communication, you're going to cut them off. Okay, on your mind is the King of Wands. Okay, so you probably are wanting to take action. Okay, or there's someone here who wants to take action towards you, but no one's making a move here. Okay, What you don't know or what you don't see coming is the Magician in reverse. Okay, because of all this mess here with the Magician in reverse, there's someone who's doubting. Okay, there's a lot of doubt in this connection. There's a lot of self-doubt here. Someone's feeling absolutely powerless about this situation. Okay, they feel they cannot manifest this situation and things are just not coming into fruition because they feel they're lacking everything that it takes to make this happen. Okay, but yeah, again, I can hear self-doubt. Okay, someone's doubting if they can make this happen anymore. Okay, they want to take action but they're doubting themselves. Okay, coming into the near future, I do see reconciliation with the Three of Cups. Yes, there is probably, I'm assuming that there will, something is going to shift. Okay, something's going to shift, and with the Three of Cups, I do see a reconciliation here. Probably you guys will just come together. Okay, if not on the same page, you guys are still just going to come together. At least the communication is going to start. Okay, I'm assuming that. um if not, then with the Three of Cups, I feel that you're just going to probably just forget about it and you're just going to go ahead and chill and, you know, have fun with your friends and just forget about what's happening here. Okay, we'll see. The clarifiers can change the entire reading. What you're doing right now with the Ace of Pentacles in reverse is there's a lack of a new beginning here. Again, more self-doubt. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse is someone who's doubting the potential of this connection, and this is someone who is not being able to start this new practical beginning, who's not being able to offer this commitment. Okay, because they are fearing. Okay, this is someone who fears that they have a lack of something. Okay, it's like there's a scarcity of something. There is something that they're still not being able to offer, which makes them feel that they cannot get this off ground. Okay, because the Ace of Pentacles, it is a gift from the universe. It is a potential commitment. It is something that holds a lot of value and stability, but yes, it takes a lot of investment, a lot of energy, a lot of hard work to lift it off ground. Okay, so there's someone here who feels that there's something that they lack, with which they feel it's still not possible, and that's why there's a delay. Okay, what the person you're dealing with is doing is with the Five of Pentacles here, someone's feeling very abandoned. They're feeling left out. Someone feels left out in the cold. You could be giving this person the cold shoulder. You could be ignoring their messages, phone calls, etc. They feel very, very abandoned. Okay, this could be someone who is missing you also. Okay, they do miss you. This is the card of someone missing, but yes, they're missing you a lot, but they're just not doing anything about it. Okay, in your emotions is the Tower. So I feel that there has been a sudden revelation or there has been a breakup. Okay, and which is completely impacting you big time. Either you want something to completely change, you want things to just completely drastically change all of a sudden. Okay, or with the Tower here, there has been a big huge blow up which is affecting you a lot. Okay, so I'm looking at this as a separation, breakup, divorce, whatever. Okay, but yeah, something huge happened. Could be a sudden revelation, some information came to you all of a sudden, or with the Tower here, this could be also an aha moment. Okay, with the likely outcome, the Chariot in reverse, you think things are out of control. Okay, you think that there's something that you cannot, it's just not in your control and you don't know where this is going, or things are just at a complete halt. Okay, something's just not moving forward. And now we're clarifying. Let's clarify. Wow, I didn't even ask the questions. Look at what came out. I'm gonna take this. We have the Two of Cups in reverse and the Judgment in reverse. So yes, the Five of Wands is two people getting into severe drama. This is a lot of ego clashes, clashing personalities, too much drama involved, two people not on the same page. And with the Two of Cups in reverse, again, this is a disconnection in a very strong soulmate connection. Okay, this is two lovers being completely separated and they're not seeing eye to eye. And with the Judgment in reverse, I feel that there is a lack of a second chance here and someone's not wanting to repeat the same mistake again. Okay, clarify the Knight of Swords in reverse. Why is the Knight of Swords in reverse? Because this is someone who is not trying to break the ice. That's how I'd put it. With the Knight of Swords, someone's holding back. They can break the ice, but they're refusing. They're not seizing the opportunity. Two ways. Either they feel they don't have enough information to get into the picture and start a conversation. Because look, the Knight of Swords is not someone who's going to sit and talk and have a mature conversation. Okay, it's someone who's very angry, but it's like they're in wetting mode, but they're holding that energy inside them. Okay, like if this person could, they'd say so much. Okay, but the Knight is someone who'll come in, they'll say what they have to and they'll leave. Okay, they're just stirring a conflict and they'll leave. Okay, But yeah, because there's someone not saying it with the Knight of Pentacles in reverse here, again, things are at a complete halt. Either things are going just round and round in circles and it's just getting nowhere, or this is just someone who's just not, they've stopped moving their axe towards you, okay? This was someone who was coming towards you very slowly and steadily with a commitment, but because there's a lack of conversation, there's a lack of communication here, someone's just holding back a lot of grudge, I'm hearing. Things have come to a complete halt right now. Fly for the Queen of Swords in reverse. Fly for the Queen of Swords in reverse. Yeah, whoever's pissed off here, the Queen of Swords in reverse, it's clarified by the Three of Swords in reverse. So someone's healing from a heartbreak, okay? This could be cheating, this could be a separation, breakup, like I said. But there's a lot of, someone's gone through a lot of emotional trauma. They've gone through a lot of pain. This is stress, anxiety, but more than anything else, I feel this is a lot of heartbreak, okay? Could have had a third-party situation involved, doesn't have to be. But this is just someone who's trying to get over the pain that has been caused to them by the other person, okay? They're still healing. Okay, they're trying to get over this, but they're very angry about this. They're very vengeful, okay? Someone's just pissed off. The Queen of Swords is never in the reverse unless and until someone's done something wrong to her, okay? Because the Queen of Swords is someone, you know, who's very candid, very honest, okay? She likes cutthroat communication. She likes it. She's the no-nonsense queen, okay? So when she's in that mode, in the upright, she's like, you know what? Tell me what I need to hear. Tell me everything. I need to know the truth. And if I don't like what I hear, you're out, okay? This person could have taken a lot of advantage of you, and now you're completely in the reverse, okay? Now you're really angry. Like, I gave you like a 50,000 chances, okay? But you just don't seem to be understanding what the point is. It could also be that this person was moving too slowly towards you with the commitment, with the Knight of Pentacles here, and you didn't see this coming. I mean, I'm a tarot reader, so I can see that this person is, you could be dealing with someone who wants to move towards you with a commitment, but this is someone who's moving extra slow, okay? They're very slow people. They're very hardworking, they're very loyal, okay? Very committed, and the problem here is at the same time they're very conservative and very stubborn, okay? So they will come in, they don't really care, they're never in a hurry, okay? So what I'm feeling here is that, you know what, like, okay, I was coming towards you, yes, I was slow, I was very cautious, I was watching every step that I was taking, but you were the one in a hurry and you screwed things up, you fucked it up, and that's why now we're in a breakup. Okay, could be, doesn't have to be. I'm just going to say the situations as and when it comes in my mind, okay? Because there's a difference here. Again, like I said, there's an energy difference here. Someone's younger and someone's matured, okay? So probably the younger one is like just taking their own sweet time to come in, and the matured one is like seriously? Like, it's been like 5,000 years and you still don't want to come in with that commitment? Like, okay, so out you go. You're out of my life. That's what I hear. Clap for the King of Wands. Clap for the King of Wands. Clap for the King of Wands. See, on your mind with the King of Wands and the Empress, you want to take action towards this person. You want to give birth to something new, okay? You want to create something new. The Empress is very stable, solid, commitment. It's a very committed thing, okay? It's giving birth to something new that has a lot of potential, a lot of growth, okay? That's growth, expansion. But at the same time, the Empress is someone, you know what, she will she's very stable in every aspect of her life, okay? The Empress, she knows her worth, she knows her value, she stays in her power, okay? So I think this is how the King of Wands sees you, Gemini. This is how you see the other person, or this is how the other person sees you. They see your value, they see you as marriage material. You could be dealing with a married woman, a mother, doesn't have to be. But yeah, you want to take action because this is how you see them, okay? That's on your mind. It is on your mind, okay? Or it's the King of Wands here who wants this, okay? You want a brand new beginning with this person. You want abundance with this person. But it's just, so I feel more than anything else, I think it's the miscommunication that is the biggest issue here, okay? The Nine of Cups in reverse just fell down, okay? Someone, the situation is emotionally draining one of you or both of you. Clap for the Magician in reverse. Why is the Magician in reverse? Clap for the Magician in reverse. See? There's someone who's releasing this. This could be a relationship, or this could be a person that you were holding on. You once once held on too tight, because this was someone who made you feel very secure. This relationship made you feel very secure. It gave you a lot of security. It gave you a lot of you saw a lot of value in this relationship. But because you're feeling powerless about this situation and you feel you can't manifest this, you're doubting yourself, you're letting it go. With the Four of Pentacles, I think you're releasing something. You're releasing this relationship. Someone's releasing this, or there can't be an or. Actually, yeah, someone's releasing it because they just feel powerless. They feel they cannot do anything about it. Okay, there's a lack of action, I won't lie. Clarify the Three of Cups. Clarify the Three of Cups. Someone wants a reconciliation, but there's someone who's not opening their mouth. With the Page of Swords in reverse here, okay? This is someone who's being a hawk. They're watching you from a distance, spying on your social media. They could be driving outside your building, your house, whatever. Don't worry, just keep the logs locked, okay? But there's someone who's watching, stalking, spying, but they're not talking. Very immature energy, someone who's playing mind games, okay? Again, you're dealing with someone who's very, very immature here, but I see a lot of swords here. So more than the physical issue, more than the emotional issue, I see it's more mental, okay? I see a lot of mind games constantly being played. You both are playing mind games with each other. I cannot blame only one person. Both of you are doing this, okay? Both of you are doing this. So yeah, there's someone here who's probably chilling, having fun. I feel this is someone who wants a reconciliation, but they're just not making the first move. The Page of Swords in reverse is also someone who's very, very arrogant, okay? They probably want you to make the first move, okay? They probably are giving you subtle hints, but it's like, you know what? No, you talk. You open up. The problem here is, because of all this bullshit, you're missing out on a commitment. There's a missed opportunity here with the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Clap for the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Clap for the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. See? Page of Pentacles in reverse. Someone's procrastinating. There's someone here who's constantly procrastinating about this commitment. Should I not? Should I not? The Page of Pentacles in reverse, two things, okay? This person A is all talk, no action, okay? This is a ball talker, okay? Like all talk, no action. Or this is someone who's procrastinating. Procrastinating, why? Because the Page of Pentacles in reverse is someone who wants everything to be perfect, okay? Like they want the entire situation to be perfect, exactly how it looks in their head. That's how the situation should exactly be in front of them. That's when they want to come in, okay? Till then, they don't feel confident, okay? They don't feel they can make things happen. That's the problem here, okay? So someone's a perfectionist here, okay? But that's just not how it works, does it? If we're going to wait for the right time, there is no right time. We make the time right. That's what I believe, okay? But of course, if there's ego issues here, you're having your ego, they have their ego, well, clap for the Five of Pentacles. Clap for the Five of Pentacles. The overall issue I see is that this person was moving towards you, but you just didn't see this person coming. Because look, the Knight of Pentacles, it's very slow, okay? You could be like in a relationship with this person for like 3 years, 5 years. This is someone who's working towards the commitment, but you just don't see any movement, okay? And that's why you probably were like, you know, you just pulled back and you were angry, you were pissed off, okay? You thought this person was just fooling around and they had nothing serious or stable to offer. Clap for the Five of Pentacles. Clap for the Five of Pentacles. Yeah. This person's feeling left out in the cold because there is a lack of a brand new beginning. You both want this. You both want reconciliation. You both want a brand new beginning. You both want a commitment. But it's just that the person who's feeling left out in the cold, they miss you. And because you guys are away from each other, you guys are, you know, either this person thinks that, you know what, like every single time you guys come together with the Ace of Wands in reverse here, things start quickly and end quickly, or it's just a false start, okay? Also, the other thing could be that with the Five of Pentacles here, whoever the person is left out in the cold now, because it could have been a while since you guys have separated, with the Hermit here. The Hermit, okay, this is someone who can ghost you for like a very long time, okay? And because of that, I feel with the Ace of Wands in reverse here, someone's losing the passion, okay? They're losing the interest, they're losing that spark, because the separation has been there for quite a while now. And no one's talking, no one's budging. It's like a budge fest going on here. Clap for the Tower. Okay, so in your emotions with the Tower and Ace of Swords, clarity coming in. Clarity coming in. Someone is finally going to reveal the truth with the Ace of Swords here. This is someone who is going to come in and come in either with the harsh truth, but with the Tower here and the Ace of Swords, I feel that this is going to be a huge breakthrough. Okay, someone's finally going to come in and open their mouth. Okay, with the Ace of Swords here, I feel victory, breakthrough. Okay, yes, could be something that you don't want to hear, or could be like very very harsh communication. Okay, this is someone who's just going to tell you. Okay, like, but this is someone who has an epiphany, someone has a realization. Probably it's like, this is because look, we have the King of Wands here who wants the Empress. Okay, so they look at you as the Empress, they want everything with you. Maybe they're just going to realize it with the Tower here. Okay, they're going to have like a huge wake-up call. Okay, probably the universe is showing them signs that this is it, this is the one, you need to talk, you need to open your mouth. Probably this is someone who's going to come in and talk to you and clear the air. I feel it's more like clear the air. Okay, because you know, it's like once the communication starts going on, once the communication starts, I think things will start opening up. Okay, that's when things will start unfolding. Why is the Chariot here in reverse as a likely outcome? Why is the Chariot in reverse as a likely outcome? Why is the Chariot in reverse as a likely outcome? Apply for the Chariot in reverse. Apply for the Chariot in reverse. Yeah, there is a delay in a reunion. Okay, the reunion is so close, guys. What the fuck are you guys doing with the Four of Wands in reverse here? There is a delay in a reunion. It's so close. This is a twin flame connection. This is something that you guys can celebrate about, but because someone feels that they've lost control over the entire situation, there is a delay in a reunion. And with the Four of Wands in reverse here, this is a falling out. Either someone's just there is a breakup, separation, and a long-term commitment, a relationship, a marriage, whatever. I feel because things are not in control, someone feels like, you know what, this is just going directionless. Someone just doesn't know where this is going. Okay, and things have come to a complete halt, and because it has come to a halt, right, there is again a lack of a union here. Okay, see, with the Three of Cups also in the near future, the reconciliation is there, the energy is there, but again with the Page of Swords in reverse here, someone's just not going to talk. Really, Gemini? Really? Cross watchers? Really? You're so close. I mean, I feel if the Chariot was upright, you could have like almost like travel. The Chariot is like where you could be living at a distance from this person. Okay, physical distance, I'm assuming more. If there's no physical distance, there's definitely a mental distance. We can see it with the swords here. But yeah, you could be living at a distance from this person. Of course, because of the situation that we're going on right now in the world, traveling can be a little impossible. That could be one of the reasons why there is a lack of union. But otherwise, if we don't consider that fact, also still, it's the mental conflict, it's the mental distance that someone's putting between you both. Okay, or you both are putting this mental distance between you guys. Some break has to come. Okay, there has to be a breakthrough, which I see is going to come in very soon. Okay, all right, Gemini, I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.